Oh my god, we're filming a thing.
Never done this before.
I don't know what to say. Hi! I'm Dan.
And I'm Morgan.
And we're
Stephs Boys. And we are here doing things.
The letter of the day is
C.
C. And Stephanie couldn't be here today because of
Cheese.
cheese. Why is
Cheese.
that? Let's explain this to me.
Because she is working in a cheese factory where they make the cheese. And she accidentally fell into a tub of Gruyere, and they're still getting it off her. So we need to wait.
Get well soon, Stephanie. We're thinking of you. You're in our prayers.
Yeah, get that Gruyere all off of you. So today, what we thought we'd do, since it's rainy and gross outside, is that we tell you some things that you can do on a rainy day. One of the things you can do on a rainy day is you can build a fort.
My favorite thing to do on a rainy day is to drink a warm beverage. I said warm! Not the devil's bunghole!
Another fun thing to do on a rainy day is to watch some movies.
One thing that I do on a rainy day is start a Netflix marathon. Hey Morgan!
I'll be right there. I'm just gonna watch this one episode.
One thing that I like to do on a rainy day is learn how to play an instrument.
Of course, the best thing to do on a rainy day is to have a dance party.
And also, a rainy day is a good chance to catch up on all your chores.
Thank you guys for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed. We hope you will use this in the future on rainy days.
And make sure you hit like and subscribe and share this video with your friends if you liked it. Make sure you comment below, and please, once again, we've gotten a little bit of interest in a Twitter account for our channel, so if you like that idea, please give it a thumbs up and comment below. Alright guys, see you next week!
Yay! Bye!
Bye! Bye!